Hi, look what happened. 6 months ago, a publisher wrote to me and asked me if I wanted to write a book called Ayurveda Cooking for Beginners. La-di-da! And of course I said, yes I do. It's been a great pleasure to write it. It's a book that I hope really helps you and people that you love and everybody in the world everywhere to not only eat healthy, beautiful foods, but also to eat delicious foods, because I really truly believe that the world we live in is a world that is here to support you with love and with beauty and with bounty and with taste and with inspiration. And the more that we eat beautiful, tasty, delicious, healing, healthy meals, the more we cultivate a relationship with the natural world that is constantly here to support us. I hope you really feel that. I hope that beyond the news, beyond the everyday, I hope that this year, 2018, is the year when you know that you are nature itself. And just like nature, full of intelligence, radiance, love, alive on purpose to know who you are and to know that Ayurveda Cooking for Beginners is here. Thank you.